What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SENS ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you how we nailed the movement to the upside, and we had about 25% of profits during just 2 sessions. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So, and let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that from the technical standpoint we had a very good chance to have a bounce from the range of 0.5. Let me show you more thoroughly that if I zoom out a little bit, we have this range as our support range from the Fibonacci retracement level. It is a 0.786 Fibonacci range if I pull it from the very bottom of the price action to the very top, because we completed on the greater scale 5 waves structure, and this consolidation, very long consolidation phase, just retracement from this top. And we have this range as a potential range where a lot of investors might add to their position. And I also told you that we have bullish divergence on hourly time frame. We had higher lows on RSI with lower lows on the price action. But literally at this very point, and you can watch my previous video, I've told you that we have to have at least one more leg to the downside to complete the movement from this top to bottom and to the bottom, and we have the range of about $1.47 as our accumulation range from the investor standpoint, and for those of you who wanted to catch the trade, who wanted to catch the bounce. And on top of that, I have to admit that I nailed this exact top. And right here we also had several signs that showed us that we might go lower, and it happened. So my accuracy for these recent movements are quite good, and I have to say that you can use my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that all of the indexes are in green, and it is the best day of 2022 so far. S&P 500 has about 2.24% increase. Dow Jones has 2.51% increase. Nasdaq has 1.64% increase, and Russell 2000 has 2.25% increase. Definitely it is the best day of 2022 so far on the markets. And on a heat map, on the S&P 500 heat map, we have all of the assets, almost all of them are in green. And definitely it is a very good sign. So, and let me show you that for now we have the closest potential catalyst, and it will take place on March the 1st, and it will be the 4th quarter and full year 2021 earnings report. And definitely, depending on the results in this report, we might see next leg. And for now, it is quite difficult to make a forecast about the direction of this leg. But all in all, I have to say, from the investor standpoint, this company is quite good. They just received their Eversense glucose monitoring system for 180 days. But if we will take a look closer to this statement, the results of these sales will be in 2nd quarter of 2022. This means we won't see any results and any forecast for Q1 2022 related to 180 days CGM system. And that's why we have to be cautious. On top of that, a lot of rumors for now related to their insider tradings. And let me show you this form. It is a Form 4. And right here you can see that Chief Financial Officer of Senseonics Holdings, Tressler Nick B, he had on February the 10th, 2022, 165,854 shares, and he acquired these shares. But at the same time, he sold 72,873 shares. And definitely some of new investors might think that it is insider trading and the chief financial officer just sold some of his shares. But let me show you this. Right here we have in a parenthesis we have number 1, and right here we can see the explanation. Represents a performance-based restricted stock unit award, which represents a contingent right to receive one share of the issuer's common stock and vest upon the achievement of certain performance targets, subject to the reporting person's continuous service through the vesting events. 100% of the RSU vested on February 10, 2022, upon the achievement of the performance vesting criteria. And it was the preset event. Everybody might see this schedule in the SEC documents, and definitely all of the insiders should have this next step, and this step is right here. It is a selling, but we have number 2, represents shares sold to cover tax obligations upon the vesting of RSUs, and it is just tax purposes, and all of these events were preset previously, and that's why it is not the insider trading. So let me show you the institutional investors list in this company, and right here we have several recent filings, and green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions, and we have more green rows during just recent days, and it is not the biggest positions, I have to say. But all in all, for example, this company added about $7.2 million in their new position with Senseonics, and I have to say that with the total market cap of this company of $713.57 million, new position with the $7.2 million is a quite heavy position. It is exactly 1% of the company. So definitely we have more interest from the investor standpoint to this asset at current prices. And that's why you can put this asset at least into your watch list. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have a deadline, and this deadline is definitely March the 1st, and we have not more than 3 days until the announcement of their earnings report. But I have to warn you because of the recent price action, and let me show you in details. On my previous video, I've told you that the price target of this bounce might hit the range of about $2.04, and it is the confluence with this range of support/resistance, or might hit at the best case scenario the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and these levels I made by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, and I have to adjust this tool for now because we have the lowest point at this very range. So we didn't hit even the first range of potential price target, but we have very good reaction from the exponential moving average, 55 exponential moving average on an hourly time frame. And for now, I think next session will be very volatile, because next session will take place exactly on March the 1st, and I have to say that if you catch this bounce to the upside and have up to, let me show it to you, up to 25%, it is a very good short-term gains for this asset. And if you want to continue this run, I don't think that we have a lot of confirmation of next leg to the upside. But from the investor standpoint, this asset is quite attractive, and if we will hit again this green range, you can accumulate your position to have more attractive average price with Senseonics. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye!